Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, I was seriously blown away by the quality of this two-tier organizer from HTH Goods. I've had several organizers like this before, but none compared to the weight and sturdiness of this one. This is made of carbon steel and it is heavy duty. So I wouldn't hesitate to put something that weighs quite a bit in here. I think it's rated for 80 pounds, which is crazy. It's super simple to put together. It's height adjustable, so depending where you want to tuck it away, you can adjust the height. It has two nice wooden handles, and then it even has mats which are removable and wipeable. This glides out so nice and smooth, so it's very easy to access whatever you have in there. So if you're tucking this under a cupboard, you don't have to worry about not getting to the things in the back. This is ideal for all over the house, in your bathroom, in your office, in your kitchen, wherever you have a need. This will fill it. I personally like this tucked away in our bar area. It stores all of our glassware and all of our accessories, and I just find it so convenient. We happen to have to remove the handles in order to close the door, but either way, it's beautiful. This is a really generous size. I love the matte black look that it has, really stylish, and you're gonna find that it's so helpful with organizing your things too, and that's my point of view.